Hi, I'm Kalpana Nair. I'm a life coach and pranic healer. And today I wanted to talk to you about not only the energetic or karmic reasons why you are stuck, but also the reasons backed by science and by biology and anatomy of your body. So there is a structure and functionality of the brain prehistorically that is determined and designed so that it keeps you safe. And the purpose of this is that in prehistoric times, when we were faced with a tiger as cavemen or any other predator, the brain functioned to activate the fight flight system, and that's how it sent the blood to the extremities, and that's how we remained safe by being alert, reflexive, and by not letting the tiger eat us up. Today, there aren't any tigers, but there are other stressors that we face in life, and because of these stressors, our amygdala and our fight flight response is always activated. So, rather than trying to force by willpower and by certain affirmations or certain things that might seem forced and pushed, we need to first understand the neuroscience and the anatomy of how we are structured, why the brain is structured in this manner, and how it brings more stress and keeps us stuck in that loop of disbelief and that loop which constantly tells us that there's something wrong. It pushes us into a place where we feel that it is pervasive in every sphere of our life. It is permanent. It cannot be changed. Maybe others can do it, but I cannot. And it makes us pessimistic. So, one biological system that I have mentioned is fight flight, but there are many other biological systems that are also responsible for the way we feel and for why we get stuck. So, my expertise is in making you understand what the reasons are that you're struggling right now, not only those that you can see in your immediate surrounding and as side effects and symptoms of your life, but also karmic and energetic reasons why your science is perhaps holding you far more than anything else. So when you understand it, you know how to balance it, how to come to a level where you trigger the relaxation response of your body as against the stress response, and what it means specifically for you to align your body in relation with where your brain is and how to lead it, the techniques that lead it to coming to that state of relaxation, to coming to that state of understanding the struggles, why they've happened, and understanding how it is unfurling your life and how it is unfolding in your life, so that you can see the facts of your resources in your life, that you have possessed these facts, you have all the resources that you think you don't possess and that you're struggling with just because you're unable to join the varied dots. Nobody taught us in school or college or anywhere, and this is the place where we kind of let it fracture us, break us, but you have to learn the techniques and the methods to integrate all the lessons, integrate everything, the resources, the biology, the struggles, all of that into one beautiful composite whole, so that when you start to see yourself like that, see the proof that has already existed in your life, the events that have led you to this point, you will see that even if there were very, very soul crushing struggles, even if there were trauma led events that were there in your life, there was a reason for each one of those, and that this moment is where you're actually making it all come together, integrate, and understanding that version of you, the who am I question, is being answered by you. So it's a beautiful unlayering of each and every part of your life that has served its purpose for you. People, events, places, everything had a divine purpose, and everything has actually worked to better who you have become. So this is what I do. I align all these things. I integrate all of this so that you're better able to understand who you are and get that clarity, get that vision, and align the rest of your life, the rest of your steps, whether it be you're struggling in a relationship, you're struggling as a student, you're struggling to find clarity of what the next steps are, whatever the struggle be, the aligning of all of this in your being with your resources, with what you've possessed, with what you've carried forward, with what you have right now is what I do. So, thank you for taking time out and listening to me. And I send you lots of love and blessings and prayers that whatever it is that you are suffering from right now, the thoughts and the conflicts and the lack of clarity, that you get a lot of clarity, a lot of peace, and it comes to you effortlessly and with ease, and you're able to understand how to integrate this, and you're able to take that decision to want to try and get a conversation going so that you can then see what the real purpose of your life is and how you will unfurl that purpose. Thank you for listening.